Oh, it's such a beautiful day here in the Ottawa Valley. So Cindy and I have decided that we're gonna pack up our Team Dirt Road Traveler gear. We're gonna head out and do a little bit of waterfall chasing. There's a couple of waterfalls close by. One is the Forth Chute, the other's the Forth Chute. We're gonna go and get photos there. And along the way, there's a geocache that we think we finally figured out where it is. So we're gonna seek that one out. So sit back and enjoy the next couple of minutes of photos and little video snippets of this Dirt Road Traveler trip. So one of the pillars in the community of Eganville is a gentleman named Ralph Sell. Well, somebody decided to have a bit of a tribute to Mr. Sell and put a geocache at the entrance to his quarry pit. We just found the geocache. That's pretty cool. Hey, in the description down below, we'll have the geocache number for anybody who's interested in geocaching and a link to the geocaching website. So once a year, we like to make a pilgrimage to what we call the Forth Chute on the Bonnechere River. What you're going to see now are some of the photos that we've taken, a little video of the moving water, and we hope that you really like this.
Loud here, and the water's not actually as high or coming down as much as it used to because we, years ago, weren't able to even get to where Tim is right now, but it's pretty cool.
Okay, so how cool are those waterfalls? Look, we're going to be taking a lot of waterfall video and photos this summer. So if you want to be part of that, hit that subscribe button and give us the like. And we'll make sure that you get notifications every time we put up a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode of Dirt Road Traveler. On behalf of Cindy and myself, thanks a lot and hope you have an amazing